be said about record shops. I had to jump in here with an audio. I just couldn't type enough. The vibe in this store was something to behold. A lot of people were just trooping in, looking at the vinyls, looking at the oldies, looking at the artworks. This is something that a lot of people just don't know about vinyl collection. It's not only just to listen to the music. The artwork is also to be admired, right? It's sort of like a whole art object, a whole art piece. So I'm so excited that we're going back to our vinyl collection. So we're starting slowly because these vinyls are not cheap. After a long day wandering about, we came back and I decided to make meat pie to accompany the vegetable soup that I was going to make later during the day. Meat pie is just so easy and filling and hearty and absolutely delicious. You can make the filling with anything. You can have vegetable pie, fish pie, chicken pie, but my favorite is meat pie. You can have it in the morning, in the afternoon, for brunch, picnic, anything. It's so versatile. Soup season, I love soup season. My absolute best season. I just love making all sorts of soup during the winter months. All sorts, and I try to vary it as much as I can. Using fresh herbs to soup adds a dimension that nothing else does. There's an enhancement fresh herbs does to soup, and that's why I planted at least 15 different varieties of herbs in my garden. I plant every year and I just add to soups, stews, salad, almost anything that I'm making. This vegetable stew, or rather soup, is just so delicious and so wholehearted. One of those wholehearted soups that when you eat it, you feel glad that it's very cold outside. I really did enjoy this, and I will be making more soup this season, much more than I did for the previous season. This is an Advent Christmas tree, which I'm decorating, and what we tend to do is to light the number of days to Christmas on a daily basis. And it's such fun, and it's the fun interactive things to do with the kids. It didn't take me long. It's an alternative Christmas tree, and I love, love, love it so much. It's so beautiful, especially in the evening when the glow and the wavering of the light from the candle just cast a beautiful, beautiful shadows. A little pinboard collection that we found at the record shop. So these are the reminiscence, and it's just £1 a badge. Really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging on. See you soon.